is unboxing with her lunch pack. Pack? Lunch box. It said a lunch box. Okay, anyway. So, this is the first one that it's a food jar. You can put a soup on this. Right? Yeah, it's a liquid. And try it, Sam. Show them how you open it. It's so cool. And there's a spoon inside. It's good for the winter comes, Sam. Yeah, and it's sturdy too. It's nice. Okay, serious, Jan. And then, oh, look at that. Cool.
That's awesome. Yeah,
it is.
My favorite part.
What's the favorite part?
The spoon inside. Can you put in here?
Yeah, that's like backpacking. You fold everything down. And...
Yeah. Okay, they close. It's like a thermos, but it's like stainless steel. Yeah, and they put a spoon there, back. After eating, you're gonna wash that after when you get home, and that's it. And I think it will not be like.
It'll keep your food warm.
That's it's cool. Excellent insulation.
Warm or cold.
That's cool.
This one, the next one.
Oh, black.
I chose it because it has a chopstick.
I see. So you look like a kid.
Oh, you have to open it.
Yeah, it's another unboxing for your chopstick. That's so cute, Che. And then spoon and fork. I'm looking with a spoon.
Spoon and fork.
Awesome. That's my Filipina.
No, I'm looking with a spoon. That's why I mentioned it first.
Oh, and then here's in a spoon, Jim. In the spoon, here's the knife.
Oh, that's clever.
If you're not using the spoon, you can just switch it. That's cute. Listen, that's for the kuan.
I don't want to ruin it.
Yeah, don't take that out because the air. Ah, yeah, it's just in there.
This
Yeah.
is where I can put my peanut sauce and like fruits.
I think the fruits.
No. This is where at the bottom where I'm gonna put my wrap.
Yeah.
Jim, look.
Oh, good. Yeah. Now you know what size to do for that. And then when you get home, though, you have to clean that right away.
Yep.
Yeah, you have to wash that by yourself, Sam. And you're gonna make your own lunch now. Now you're in high school.
Yeah. So, Mom, stay out of the kitchen.
Oh, I'm still looking at you.
I don't think she's gonna stay out of the kitchen.
Yeah, this is my kitchen, right, Mommy?
But you're gonna avoid making her lunch, right?
I will try.
You will try.
But that will be nice because it will be get out on my head. Oh, my Sam don't have anything. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? I'm freaking out.
Poor Sam. Poor Sam.
What are you gonna make? What are you making right now, honey? It's our leftover.
Some leftover cold beef
Yeah, cold beef.
with some olive oil
Oh, that's nice.
and a little vinegar.
Yeah, and you're gonna put this in the oven, right?
You wanna try a little bite?
The oven.
Oven.
The oven.
And then you make some eggs. And you stir also some shrimp, the leftover shrimp too.
Stir fry.
Shrimp fry. Sam is so happy. And this is our Saturday. And we're gonna spend upstairs. Oh,
Look at Jim's bites.
let's see how it goes last night. Oh my God, it's all half. Oh my God, where's the other one?
I put it away for Sunday.
Tonight.
Oh, for Sundays.
To go
Tonight.
to go with the ice cream.
Okay. I said, oh, where's the other one? I remember last night it's still like, it looks like, still.
Still there.
I know, but
You want it to get eaten.
look at it. It's like half. It's like, oh my goodness, you're so cute, baby. I know you really love that sweet. But it was
Sam
good.
had
It's a
some
good
last
amount.
night, and you had a couple bites.
Yeah, couple bites.
The rest is mine.
Yes, you are.
But this one is not a cookie.
It
Even though a
is.
cookie place, it's not sweet. It's like a bagel.
But it
It
tastes
is
good.
bagel.
It is.
Yeah.
Is it taste good?
Yeah, it tastes like a bagel with cream cheese.
Okay, next
if you
time.
like bagels, then you'll say I like it.
Yeah, I do like bagels and cream cheese. That's what I ate during the 8th grade retreat. Bagels and cream cheese in the morning.
Then we have pizza last night too. We
There's
have
still some
leftover
pizza
one. Yep. So what we're gonna have today for dinner is our leftovers. There's a lot leftovers.
Left.
And then we have crumble cookies for the rest of weekend today.
Cookie crumble.
Whatever, it's like all
Let's
same.
say, Mom, cookie crumble is an ice cream. Crumble cookie is a cookie or a company.
It's a company. Yeah.
Company.
Whatever.
Crumble is a company.
Whatever.
Wow.
Yeah.
Zooming in on you too.
What are you doing? Oh, you're having some. How are you gonna put that in the oven? And if you
Not
put
going
some.
to. This is going to be cold.
I like the meat and it's
It's
hot.
going to be cold.
Ugly.
You can put it in the oven if you want.
That's okay. You already made it. Same as dancing. And our weather, it's so bad today. Oh goodness. That's okay. The air quality right now outside, it's a nice weather. It's hot, not really hot. It's like good temperature, but air quality is moderate. It's sad.
Well, that's because of the fires in Eastern Washington.
Eastern Washington. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Can you put some vinegar on this, Sam?
Where's the vinegar?
It's just right there, vinaigrette.
You'll find it. Use your eyes.
Aha!
Not your mouth.
This?
That's it. Yeah, shake a little. Well, it comes out fast, so pour some on here.
Tell me when to stop.
Just pour.
Okay, it's end now. You put some timer and looks like the rice is
Is it
already
all
cooked.
clean? Ready
Not
to
yet,
go?
almost. Oh, can you prepare the upstairs, Sam?
Do we have enough paper towels?
Yeah, I think it's not enough. Bring
Not enough people
oh,
at
get a new one there in the pantry because we really need also new one here.
Sure. We do need a new one. We're almost out.
We're in the last one.
And we're gonna clean
When you
here.
go to
I have a
Costco,
lot
you
of
know
mess here.
Oh no, we still have more.
I'm still waiting for Jim to be done.
Last one.
So until I'm waiting for this, honey, because it was so hot. So now it's cold now, so it's easy for me to wipe. Still have some
I'm getting
steam
better
going
opening
on.
this one. I have to trust it.
I'm gonna have some leftover, and it's all good. Yeah, leftover is really tastes good.
Are you guys proud of me? I met new friends.
Yep.
Definitely. Okay.
Momiko and
Was
Nina.
it?
Okay, Sam, put your feet down. Your food. Oh no. Those.
Put her little butt on camera and she'll move her face.
Okay, sige, cute. Yeah, we're gonna watch some Kevin Hart's movie here.
Oh,
And then,
Super Pets. He's in there.
oh yeah.
Hurrah.
Okay, it's 74. We never seen this, huh? I'm gonna watch that. What do you think?
Sam's choice today.
Okay, and then
Really?
Sure.
okay, we're gonna have the leftover as I said. Scrambled eggs. Jim made that all, and it's all the leftover that we grilled, and shrimp and the pork. Oh no, the beef. And I have a little bit coffee here and some rice. Okay, bon appetit, people.
Death at the funeral.
Okay, what movie you gonna do? So Kevin Hart's there.
I love Kevin Hart.
So you like the Super Pets?
So we have to rent or buy it.
Oh, rent and buy. Okay, yeah, it's $20. Let's just get some Kevin Hart's if you like, Sam.
All you left me was the radio, and it goes like ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah, and it goes like ooh, ooh, Yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. And it goes like, ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. Oh, every single song tells me we're through. Yeah, but I can't turn it off 'cause it's the truth. Yeah, it's the truth. And it goes like,
Just done our dinner. And Sam's trying to find what the... Oh, what is that? The rocks?
Rock talking about BTS.
Oh, talking about BTS. Okay. Yeah, we just done our movie. What's the name of that movie, Sam?
Oh, what was the name of the movie?
Me time.
Me Time.
Me
that's it,
Time. Okay. Did Kevin Hart's.
Yep.
Kevin Hart.
And
Nice movie.
Mark Wahlberg.
and then we have an ice cream for dessert. And the bottom of this is the cookies, the crumble cookies that we bought yesterday with Sam in Tacoma. And she have her own also ice cream. And the bottom of that also is the crumble cookies. Okay, and Sam's still searching. Looks like you're just typing, just really hard. I wish they have this kind of voicemail. Okay, yeah. We have dessert. Let's eat this.
Here it is. Oh, there it is.
Yummy.
all you left me was the radio. And it goes like, ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. And it goes like, ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. And it goes like, ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. Oh, every single song tells me we're through. Yeah, but I can't turn it off 'cause it's the truth. Yeah, it's the truth. And it goes like, and it goes like, ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. Oh, every single song tells me we're through. Yeah, but I can't turn it off 'cause it's the truth. And it
Okay, we're done. Good night, Sam. Sam's still watching. Night. Okay, we're going to bed now. Yeah, that was really good. Leftover was good. Sarap talaga yung mga leftover na pagkain. Rumbled na, may shrimp, may beef. And then we do the scrambled eggs. So that was really good. Kasi ang dami naman kasing leftover, so kailangan naman kainin kaysa naman hindi makain, sayang, di ba? So we ate everything. May naiwan lang na konting beef kasi sobrang dami din talaga na meat. And then we had dessert. So dessert ice cream with the crumble cookies in the bottom. And the bottom of that, and then we have the ice cream is like chocolate and vanilla. And then I have to work tomorrow. Ngayon lang ako walang trabaho. So I have to work tomorrow, and that is Sunday. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good night. See ya. Bye bye.